how to redeem Roblox code on phone. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just click on the Roblox, and as you can see, this is the interface of the app. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the three dots with the circle on it right here at the down right, and here you will see multiple options. You're gonna scroll a little bit down until you find help, and you will see right here this is the interface of the help section. So we're gonna search for redeem, yeah? And here it says add the billing and gift card, so we're gonna click on it. Okay, and here it says how to redeem and spend your gift card, and you will see a link to the Roblox with the redeem on it. So we're gonna click, and here in this section you will enter your gift card, virtual items, or promo code below, and just don't forget to click the check mark so you can verify that you are over 18 and all that, and you are agreeing to the Roblox condition and terms policy. So we're gonna enter the code and we're gonna click redeem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.